Welcome back, everyone. We're going to be solving LeetCode 266, Palindrome Permutation. So we're given a string s and we want to return true if a permutation of the string could form a palindrome and false otherwise. And they define a palindrome as a string that reads the same forwards as backwards. So code would be false, AAB would return true, and example 3, char rack would return true as well. Okay, so we know that a palindrome has to contain, if it contains more than two letters that occur an odd number of times, then it's not going to be a palindrome. So what we could do is we could create a set, let's call it SSS, and we could loop through the entire string, so 4 character in S. What we want to do is, if that character is not in our set, right, we can add it. So we'll say SSS.add that current character. Otherwise, we will remove that character. And then we can return the length of SSS if it is less than 1. So in this case, that'll be, let's loop through this first example. So we'll add code. We haven't seen it before, so we add C in. We come to O, it's not in there, so we add O. We come to D, it's not in our set, so we add D. We come back to E, same thing, we add it. So the length of our set is obviously, in this case, greater than 1. So this isn't going to give us a permutation. Let's go to example 2. So we come to A, so it's not in there, so we add it. We come to A again, it is already in here, so we remove it. Now we come to B, it's not in there, so we add it. And because our set is of length less than or equal to 1, this can be considered a palindrome. So let's run this, see if it works. B is not defined. Help if I get rid of these characters. Okay, so we pass all 3 test cases. We'll submit. It does run. So what is the time and space complexity for this problem? Well, we're looping through every character and at most touching it once, so that is going to give us an O of n time complexity. Now the space complexity is going to be the length of our set, so it'll be SSS.length, and that'll give us a runtime of O of whatever our set length is. Alright, that'll do it for LeetCode 266 Palindrome Permutation.